After you install VibeCom WordPress theme, you will get a tab VibeCom just below the appearance tab. In this tab, you can do all the customizations to the theme. Let's start with the getting started section. Here you can download the sample data for the theme, which you can use to set up your installation just like our demo. You can also fill your ThemeForest username and API credentials so that we can provide you automatic updates just like your WordPress plugin updates or theme updates. Next we move to the general settings section. In this section you can choose the theme. We have given you 11 pre-built themes. You can set up responsiveness. If you want the template to be static, you can select as no. If you want to enable theme customizer, you can set up theme layout here, and you can set up header style here. Footer theme works independently. So if you want a theme layout of box and footer theme as wide, and let's see, this is mega menu title tags, which we have already covered. Here you can upload your logo, favicon if you want to show search in header, and let's save changes. So here we see that this is the header 2 style where we get the email and the phone number, and this is the wide footer layout, although we selected the theme layout as boxed and footer layout as wide. Next we move to the element section. Here you can set colors for all your section. Each section has been divided into these colors, wherein you can see the description just below these colors. When you click on it, you get a color selection panel. Most important that you have to select yes to enable theme customization through this panel. Also worth noting is that if you enable theme customizer in the general settings section, this will override any settings that you do in the elements panel. So if you want that these colors should replace the theme primary color, then this should be set to no. Otherwise, your live theme customizer color selected will override the elements color that you have selected here. In elements, you can also select a body background and a body background effect. Next we move to the typography section. Again for this section also, if in general settings section theme customizer has been enabled as yes, then it will override all the changes that we do in the typography section. So in the typography section, you can select out of 600 plus Google fonts with the easy to use select box where you can search for the desired font. So we can search here. Next we click on save. After saving, we see the font preview and the font size applied on the font preview. Here you can also select the carousel background and rest of the font sizes, colors and font face. Next we move to the custom connect section. This is the most important section if you're using custom post types and custom taxonomies. So here so by default, if you open any post, you'll see that there are 4 meta boxes: featured model, featured component, template layouts and page builder, which can be controlled through this panel. If you want to show the featured components section, all we have to do is select the custom post type here. So let's say if you don't want to show the featured component section in pages, so if we go to pages, add new, we see a featured component section here. If you don't want to show this meta box here, then we cross and save. So now that we have removed pages from featured components, we go to pages and refresh. As you can see, we have removed the featured component section. Here you can also select what is the page type for the custom post. So you can also select whether you want to show comments and meta information for the custom post types. Next we move to slider settings in part 2 of our video.